Understanding, bust someone's chops, a fun dive into English idioms. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms, focusing on the phrase, bust someone's chops. This expression is a colorful part of the English language, and understanding it can add a fun and nuanced layer to your conversations. So, let's unravel the mystery together and make your English language journey even more exciting. At first glance, bust someone's chops might conjure up some rather vivid images, but fear not. This idiom is far less violent than it sounds. Originally, chops referred to the jaw or mouth area, leading to some interesting interpretations. However, in today's usage, to bust someone's chops means to tease or criticize someone in a playful or non-serious manner. It's often used among friends or close colleagues in a light-hearted context. The phrase, bust someone's chops, has an intriguing history. It dates back to the early 20th century, initially linked to the world of jazz musicians, where chops referred to a musician's skill or prowess, particularly in playing a brass or wind instrument. Over time, the phrase evolved beyond the realm of music to become a more general term for challenging or giving someone a hard time, but usually in a friendly or teasing way. It's important to use bust someone's chops in the right context to avoid misunderstandings. Here are a few tips. Ensure there's a mutual understanding and rapport with the person. This phrase is best used among friends or people who know each other well. Pay attention to tone and body language. These can help convey that you're being playful and not genuinely critical. Consider the setting. This phrase might be more appropriate in informal settings rather than professional or formal situations. To help you get a better grasp, here are some examples. Don't take it personally. I was just busting your chops about being late. We love to bust each other's chops. It's all in good fun. After the meeting, my coworker said he was only busting my chops about my presentation. And there you have it. A closer look at the phrase, bust someone's chops. We hope this exploration adds a playful element to your English conversations and helps you appreciate the rich tapestry of idioms in the language. Remember, learning English is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about embracing the culture and humor embedded in its idioms. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!